As you already know, there is no Netflix app on the Apple Store. So I will share with you the workaround to downloading the Netflix app on Mac by creating a shortcut on your desktop. First, you want to open the Safari browser. Now type on the search bar for Google Chrome Download. You will be taken to the download page. Download the latest version of Google Chrome. Install it on your Mac. Once this step is completed, go ahead and open Chrome on your Mac. Then, on the search bar, go to the website netflix.com. Make sure you are logged into Google Chrome. Now click on the three-dot icon on the top right corner and look for Save and Share. Then, select Create a Shortcut. An option to change the name of the shortcut will show. Change it to whatever you like. Then check the box, open in a new window, and click on Create. A new window with Netflix will show. The shortcut icon will appear at the bottom of your Mac where the taskbar is. Hover over it and go to Options and select Show in Finder. This is where the Netflix icon will be. Drag that into either your desktop home screen or to the bottom of the taskbar for easy access. You can also remove it by simply dragging the icon out of the taskbar. Do keep in mind that this method won't allow you to watch your downloaded movies from Netflix for offline viewing. That's it, and thanks for watching.